Welcome back after your assessment test. Today I tell you about the art integrated project. Now, what is art integrated project? Art integrated project means the project which will include all the subjects. Means in one project you have to make one project and it will include all the subjects like math, science, SST and languages and along with art. Now this year CBSE has sent the circular to the schools that you have to make a project, art integrated project on three states like Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. So we are going to divide your class 7 in each section of class 7 will get a particular state that we will let you know later on, and from these three states only, Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. And on that particular state you have to make a brochure. Now what is brochure? So brochure, it is an informative paper document which is used for advertising, which could be folded into template, pamphlet or leaflets. I am showing you a brochure. It is a printed brochure. Now, it is not necessary. It has many folds. This brochure has many folds. You don't have to make these many folds. You can take a half chart paper and then you can fold it into, give it a 3-fold or 4 folds or 2 folds. You can make into 2 folds also. Now you can see this is a brochure. This is a brochure of printed brochure of Kurukshetra. Now you can see here. Now how we will include all the subjects. Now here you can see that the map of India is there. Now, suppose you get the Uttar Pradesh. The state is Uttar Pradesh. So you have to make a either you paste the map of Uttar Pradesh or you can draw it and then you can color the region here and then draw a map of that particular state, and then you can make a collage like this. As you can see over here that this is made on particular topic, that is pilgrimages of Kurukshetra region. So now we are going to make this project. I give you the topic also, which topic you have to choose in order to make the project. Now you can make here collage. The whole state you can show that way, and you can make by making the collage you can show this at the sides. Now you can see over here, when I see here, this is also the map, a kind of map which is shown over here, and then Kurukshetra ki Paryatan Sthal is shown. They are written one by one, and they have written the summary of these also. All the tourism based like Brahm Sarovar, all these are written along with the pictures. They have given some information. So this type of information will be included in your SST. This will be your geographical part. Then here in this brochure, what has been shown, that these places, how much distance away are these places, that they have given a type of graph, a chart is given that shows will include your maths. Then you can see over here, they have given a tagline. Their Sanskrit wordings are written. So particular state you can give a tagline to it. Then you can write down, you can write just like you can see here what is written, Kurukshetra और उसके आसपास के पुरातात्विक स्थल. So all these places have been mentioned here. What are the different dharamshalas are here along with the numbers. Hotels, restaurant and Bhojan Kendra. They have written all these names along with the name. Phone numbers. So this is a kind of informative paper. This brochure is a informative paper which can give the information about the state. Then any other information is there. so that you can make it. Then at the sides also you can see here also the same way, either you can draw the pictures, paste the pictures. It's not necessary, do not worry your parents that you need the printout of the pictures only. You can draw, you can color, and then you can write whatever you have to write, that you have to write using calligraphy. So that will include your art. Language subject is included. Maths I told you how to include. Geography I told you how to include. SST by giving the brief history of the state. Now coming to the topics. Now this is the example of brochure which I have shown you. So in this way you can make the brochure. Now your topics will be, each section will get a particular state. Your topics, from these topics you can choose any one of the topic. Like tourism, either you make on tourism, so you can write all the like suppose you get Uttar Pradesh, so you have to write all the places which are best for tourism over here, which tourists can see. Then festivals, you can take the second topic, festivals. Third topic you can take art and craft, dance and music, protected areas. So how you're going to take this topic, this also will let you know, either roll number wise, or you can take tribes also. One more topic is there, tribes. So some children, they can make the soft copy of this brochure designing. You can design the brochure on the net, on the computer, through the computer, and then you can make a soft copy of it. So we'll let you know how you're going to divide, but I wanted to tell you about what is art integrated project and what is brochure. So that's I hope it is clear now, and you have the whole 1 month to make this project, and you will be awarded with the marks in your subject enrichment. You will get the marks for it. The single project you have to make, and marks will be considered in all the subjects, means math, science, all the subject teachers will be they are going to judge you on this particular project only. Okay, thank you.